Hi Asad, this is Biplavi speaking, and this is my daily checklist video. Today I work in the morning as well as and open my mail detail, and I also today we have a conversation with you, a good conversation, and we have learned many things over the meeting. So over there you give me some instruction about IFC form 38 form, so I did it and set it on the channel. Please check out over there. And I also check this video for CG and FC uploading, so I try to understand. Okay, when I practically when I will do, then it will be clear more. So I work on another your instruction about Uber. I also work over here and set the update result. That was December 2 and December 1 and November 13. I set all the result over here, and also set the weekly report over here. Weekly report, that was November 26 to December 2. This is a weekly report, and I take it all the report from here and set over here. So that is our today's daily report. And also I got the UPC for Frontier result, and I get the result, but I cannot research on that. Tomorrow I will work on that, and then I will submit the report actually. So this is my daily report, and thank you for watching my video. Bye.